Have you been wondering how peppered kpomo is made? Join me, let me show you all how to prepare it. I'll transfer some kpomo, also known as cowskin, into a clean pot. I'll add little water, then cover and allow to cook till tender. After about 20 minutes, the cowskin is fully cooked. I'll take it off from the heat, then strain out the water. To prepare the peppered kpomo, I'll heat up some palm oil in a pot. I'll add some diced onion and saute. I'll also be adding some pepper mix. I'm using some scotch bonnet pepper and bell pepper. I'll mix everything together and allow to fry. After about 2 minutes of frying, I'll be adding the kpomo into the pot, then mix everything completely well. To spice things up, I'll also be adding some seasoning cube and some salt to taste. You can choose to add any other seasoning of your choice. I'll just mix everything together. Guys, look at this. Alright, I'll allow everything to fry for about 5 minutes so the kpomo could absorb the pepper sauce. And guys, our peppered kpomo is ready. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more. See you next time with another exciting recipe. Do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.